Okay, thank you, dear students. Today the lesson we are going to discuss is about the earth on which we are living or existing. This is the important thing which we have to study about the earth. This is the universal body. This is the celestial body. Among the universal, it is one which is very, very important for the existence of all the creatures, germs, and each and everything. So, this is our responsibility as a student to. This is your responsibility to know about the earth, the basis, the foundation of the earth. If you don't know the foundation of the earth, if you don't know the basis of the earth, you are not able to understand the social studies. So right now, okay, let us discuss about the earth. So, first of all, the earth is a spherical. The earth is spherical in shape. This is round. Some of the people in the ancient times believed that the earth was flat, but the decision which they had taken was wrong. After some time, the scientists came that and studied and analyzed about the earth, that the earth was round and round. That's why this is the present shape. So, okay, for the convenience of the social study, throughout the earth or around the earth, it was possible for the scientists to draw the imaginary lines, which are very, very important to find out the places, locations, and each and everything on the earth or globe. Okay, what are the lines we have to study about? Come on. 90 latitudes on the southern hemisphere. There are 90 latitudes on the northern hemisphere. Totally there are 180 latitudes. To the northern hemisphere 90 latitudes, southern hemisphere 90 latitudes. Okay, among these latitudes, the equator is important, which goes through the center of the earth and which is counted 0 degree. This is the degree is 0. So right, come on, let us discuss about the important latitudes on the globe among 180 latitudes. Okay, right. The place, first of all, Arctic Circle. This is known as a Arctic Circle. This is known as a Tropic of Cancer. And this is equator. And down is a Tropic of Capricorn. And this is Antarctic Circle. Okay. Now let's discuss the places between these latitudes. The place which lies between North Pole to Arctic Circle is known as a polar region or tundra region. And the place that lies between Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer is known as a temperate region. The place that lies between Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer is known as a temperate region. The temperature is neither cold nor hot. And the place between Tropic of Cancer to equator, is known as a torrid region or tropical region, which is very, very hot in this particular region. And the place that lies between equator to Tropic of Capricorn is known as a torrid region. And the place that lies between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle is known as a temperate region, neither hot North Pole. And the place that lies between Antarctic Circle to South Pole is known as a tundra region or polar region. These are the important latitudes on the globe and the important places which we have to discuss, which we have to know compulsory in the social studies. Okay, now let's discuss about the line that goes to the center of the earth from north to south, which is known as a primary meridian, longitudes. So 180 longitudes. Totally there are 360 longitudes on the globe. The lines which are drawn vertically on the globe are called longitudes. There are 360 longitudes. To the eastern hemisphere, 180 longitudes. Next to western hemisphere, 180 longitudes. Totally 360 longitudes are there. These are very, very important to find out, to locate the places wherever, whatever the place it might be on the globe, on the surface of the globe. Okay, right. This is the primary meridian, important to longitude, which goes through the center of the earth, and it goes to London Greenwich Laboratory. It goes through the country London Greenwich Laboratory, which is known as a important to longitude, primary meridian. Okay, right. So these are the important to latitudes and longitudes. What are the latitudes? What are the longitudes? The lines that are drawn horizontally on the globe are called latitudes. The lines which are drawn vertically on the globe are called longitudes. There are 360 longitudes. There are 180 latitudes.